Hello and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're working on this Honda Civic specifically. We're going to be changing the ABS sensor, the front one. Guys, it's going to be applicable from 06 to 11, so if you've got that model, this is the video for you. I'm assuming I've got no jack because I'm out in the farm, so for me it's going to take about 15 minutes. I reckon if you've got a jack and you take your wheel off and all that, you can probably get it done in about the exact same time, if not even quicker. So you're going to have to pop the bonnet, you're going to have to unplug something from the inside, pull it off the hub, a few little brackets, little couple grommets and whatnot. Other than that, guys, fairly straightforward job. Don't forget, if you do need these, we sell them at Parts Factory. Head on to the website. If you click the title of the video, if you're on a mobile, the description will pop down. Click the link, buy it, get it in your hand, and come back, rewatch this video. I'll show you how to do it. I'll save you some money, and if you appreciate it, give the video a thumbs up, sub. You know how it is. Other than that, guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty, guys. So, ABS sensor, Honda Civic. Now, you've got this little grommet here. That can just pop straight up in the air. It basically just stops it from getting caught in anything. So do that. And if you have a look at the back here, you got this 10mm. Now, if you track it over to here, this once again is just simply a grommet to basically hold it in place. But I reckon, let's have a look here. Just want to have a quick look. If we just push it that way and down, it'll pop out like that. And then see this firewall little clip? You should just be able to pull it off and it should just pop all the way down. And then on the other side of this, you'll see that plastic there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab it because you can't really get into it. That's the thing. And if you pull down on it, you'll notice that it's a pressure clip like so. You can actually just depress this plug here, pull out on that, and you run all this all the way through like so. And then you can literally just grab a 10mm. We'll undo that and I'll rendezvous back with you in a second. Alrighty, guys, so I've got this little 10mm. I'm just gonna, it's like on a little wobbler as well because I'm gonna use a little rattle gun. Just gonna pop in, get it on that bolt, pull that 10mm out, and then boom. That's your ABS sensor out. Now, I do have one I prepared earlier from Parts Factory. This is the one we sell, guys. They are just simply an OEM replica. 3-year warranty. They're about $63.30, guys. Free express post in Australia. If you compare that to the quote that your mechanic's going to give you, you're going to find that it's obviously a much better option. So go ahead, buy the new part on the Webby, get it to your door, and just grab that 10mm. We're going to do exactly the same process in reverse. Stab it into that hole, and then we're going to put that little 10mm back in. We're going to make sure we do it by hand first. And we're going to literally tighten it up, couple clicks, not too crazy. You go too crazy, you're going to find that it will cross thread the thread, and then you'll be looking for a new bolt. Now, I've noticed our new part comes with brand new clips, so what our next job is to get all of the old brackets out. Because we have all of our new clips, what you can do is you can actually destroy the old clips. I'll show you what I mean. Alrighty, so we'll cruise back down here. Now what I mean by that is it's quite difficult to get these clips out without breaking something. But the good news is we don't need to worry about that. So, because we have all of our new ones, you know. So, let's go. We've got this one done. What's the next one? You got this bracket along the side. We want to confirm again before we go ahead and break anything that we definitely have all these parts. That's the one that goes over here, and then this is this one here. So then that one is that one there. So that means, so I already got that one out. So we actually just need to pull this one out. Let me just reach over with my hand. Might be a bit easier. Yep, so she's all pulled out. So at this point, you can literally just go like this. I'm going to stab that through there, if you can. Yep, so that just clips in. You hear it actually go in quite nice. And you route this through here. all the way over here. And then, of course, our last step is obviously to go with this. They've actually changed the design, that's what's going on. So let me just push that in. You should hear a click. One over there, guys. So don't forget, you got one behind the strut, which is quite invisible. So you got to really get in there so you can see a bit better. And then we should be able to just go like this. Where is it? Clip that in. And then, yeah, now you see we're getting close now. So these little clips can run down from here to there. Plug that in. And then, as you already know, I'm going to bring this up. Obviously, it's hard when I've got the camera in my hand. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll put the camera down. But as you can see, guys, that can just go like that. And then you plug this plug in here. And that would be job complete, guys. You can see how easy it is. Alrighty, guys, so I've just clipped it back in. It's all back in, plugs in. You can see it comes around here, into there, and then nicely into there. Alrighty, guys, so that's how you change an ABS sensor on a Honda Civic. Alrighty, guys, I hope everything gone as smoothly as it did for me, for you. This was literally a 5-minute job, which is actually completely unexpected. Other than that, guys, you can now put your chuck your key in, turn your ignition on. Hopefully the history code's cleared. If not, go and see your nearest diagnostics place, or Auto Alecki, or any mechanic, to be honest, is going to have an OBD2 scanner. They'll clear the code, your ABS light will come off the dash, and then you're good to continue on driving your fantastic Honda. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.